locked, excited to never talk.
I'm so sorry for your loss.
I feel so much lighter, like a feather with you off my mind. Floating through the memories like whatever, you're a waste of time. Your signals are mixed, you act like a bitch. You fit every stereotype, send the pic.